To my babe, I've known you for 9 years now. We've been friends for 5 years before, and I witnessed how we've grown so much as a man. I witnessed your fair share of pain, your highs and lows, and that made me understand how lovable your heart is and how beautiful your soul are. They say Leos are fierce, proud, and independent, and well guilty as charged, but somehow with your gentle heart, your quiet patience, and yes, your overthinking ways, you found a way to love me exactly as I am.
Hanggang sa nasabi ko na sa sarili ko na gusto kong guluhin ng buhay mo. Joke lang. Nasabi ko sa sarili ko na gusto kong protektahan at alagaan tong masungit, malambing, malahanin, fully, friendly, lovable na babaeng ito.
I get to love you. It's the best thing that I'll ever do. I get to love you. It's a promise I'm making to you. Whatever may come, your heart I will choose. Forever I'm yours, forever I do.
Yay!
I get to love you. I get to
To my Wonder Woman,
you.
thank you so much for choosing again me as your husband. Lagi kong pinagpapasalamat kay God na pinagtagpo niya tayo. Babe, hindi mo ko iniwan sa mga worst days ko. Thank you at binigyan mo ko ng lakas ng loob para mapunta ako sa best version ko. Sana magustuhan mo itong gift ko sa'yo. For sure naman na bagay ito sa'yo. I love you so much, wifey ko. Wow. Wow. Galing Dubai. Thank you, babe. I love you. See you later.
Believe it's true sometimes. Oh, I can't believe it's true. I get to love you. 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 And they say love is a journey. I promise that I'll never leave.
Thank you kay God at thank you sa iyo dahil
When it's
pinapasok
too
mo ako sa buhay.
heavy to carry.
Baby, papangako ko sa iyo na kahit gaano pa kahirap ang hamon ng dating sa ating buhay, bilang mag-asawa, hindi kita iiwan.
I get to
Hindi kita susukuan. Ikaw at ikaw ang pipiliin ko at mamahalin ko araw-araw. I love you so much, Jonali Diendo Mandengiado. Thank you so much. Ako ang pinili mo makasama sa habang buhay.
Vow to honor that love, to be your peace, even when life gets chaotic, to meet your mood with understanding, your silence with comfort, and your overthinking ways with reassurance. To choose you every day, not because I need you, but because I want you beside me always.
Sa sakramento ng kasal, ang magkasintahan ay pinagsasama ng Diyos. Hindi na sila dalawa, sila'y nagiging isa. At ang sabi ng Panginoon, ang sino mang pinagsama ng Diyos ay huwag paghiwalayin ng tao.
Next mom yarn. Next mom yarn. Yay! Jimwell! Yay! Hey! Yay! Thank you, sis! Thank you!
By now I'd be gone, but you found me. You found me. I know now the love that's around me, around me.
Wait, English. This necklace carries more than gold. It claims my heart, my forever with you. As you sail across the ocean, know that my love is your anchor and God is your guide. With every sunrise at sea, my heart is with you, trusting that the Lord watches over come and going. No matter how for your travel, He will always lead you back to home. Sail safely in my husband as always, forever yours, John.
Para mayor ah.
Kenneth.
Yun!
Tapos, ito na. Kent. Boss Marlon. Kinuha.
Thank you! Let's go!
Kinuha ka agad.
Congratulations, babe. Husband mo na yung dati mong crush. Pero i-congratulate mo din ako. Kasi starting today, misis ko na yung dating dream girl ko.
I know I'm not the easiest person to read. I always keep my guard up. I stay busy. I forget to send you I'm home safe. But you never stop showing up. Even when you're moody, even when your thoughts run circles around us, you never let go. So today, in front of everyone, I want to say this clearly. I see you. I see the love in your eyes when I'm too tired to notice. I see your patience when I've been too wrapped up in work. I see your strength, not just in the good days, but how you love me even on the hard ones.
Wise men say
Jonalie, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Jeric ngayong naririto ngayon? Alinsunod sa batas at mga lituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan.
Yes, I do.
Buong puso bang pagkakaroon mo sa kanya ng iyong sarili bilang kanyang may bahay?
Yes, Father.
Nakalaan ka bang barikatin sa piling niyang pananagutan ng buhay may asawa?
Yes po, Father.
Shall I stay? Will it be?
Hindi ako akalain. Magiging close tayo. Nag-start tayo magkwentuhan about sa challenges sa atin ng buhay. Naalala mo pa ba yung tawag mo pa sa akin, kuya, tapos tawag ko sa iyo? Para ka palang camera. Hindi ko na mamalaya na de-develop na yung feelings ko sa iyo.
Like
Cherry, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging may bahay si Jonady na narito ngayon na rinsunod sa batas at mga lituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Yes, Father.
Kung puso bang pagkakaloob mo sa kanya ng iyong sarili bilang kanyang asawa,
Yes, Father.
nakalaan ka bang banikatin sa piling niya ang pananagutan ng buhay may asawa?
So
Yes, Father.
take my hand, take my whole life.
Eric, pwede mo nang ibigay kay Jonally ang iyong unang masuyong halik bilang kanyang asawa.
Can't help falling in love with
Palakpakan po natin ang bagong kasal.
I may be strong on my own, but with you, I am safe, I am seen, and I am home. And I promise for today, until forever, to never let you forget just how deeply you are loved. Mi amor.